Namaskara. This is Voice of Bhuvana, sharing peace through words and devotion. ಶಾಂತಿ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಹೊರಗಿನ ಶಬ್ದದಿಂದ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೌನದಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. When the mind is restless, don't fight it. Just sit with it, like you sit before God. Prayer is not always words. Sometimes it's just presence. When heart bends in surrender, grace rises in silence. ಮೌನವೇ ಪೂಜೆ, ನಿಶ್ಶಬ್ದವೇ ಶಕ್ತಿ. Let your mind rest today, like a diya that no longer flickers, but simply glows. May peace live in your breath and devotion in your silence. Voice of Bhuvana.